Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to replace Samsung S6 Power IC. Just before I just remove all those screws and the back cover, so I think you didn't get bored. Here it is the PCB. Oftenly the Power IC is damaged due to water. Just remove these cables. Uh, just be careful of this. By using a tweezer, gently lift it and remove the PCB from display. You can see the stains of the water beneath the connector. Just remove the shield. Under the shield, here is the power IC. Most probably it's damaged due to water, and the phone can be shown short, or it can be heated, or sometimes the polarity gets short and it's take some extra ampere. These are the symptoms. Here I'm using tweezer and apply some flux. Heat all over the AC. This you can apply heat all over and slowly heat on the spot of the IC, and you can lift it gently. Don't use overheat because the board is very thin. Make sure you have heat up the IC enough and just lift gently. Here is this. And clean the extra lead here. It's very common problem nowadays in S6. Clean the lead gently. Just take care of the print on the PCB. After removing the extra lead, just clean the PCB properly by using alcohol. Then apply some heat and apply some flux, though the flux can flow all over the PCB. Just make it zoom here, as you can see properly. Just place it in a proper direction. Before you are removing the IC, just make sure you have the proper direction of the IC, or you can find it in schematics. Just apply some heat, hold it, and leave the tweezer and apply over all the IC. Just make sure the balls have melt properly. Then remove the blower. Don't overheat the PCB because it's very sensitive. Let it cool here. I'm not sure that every time the power IC has damage. Most probably they are damaged due to extra power in the charger and due to water. These are the most common problem. You can see the stains of the water beneath this connector. Just fix this cables. Gently place them in proper place. Place the shield back. Place the display cable here. Make sure you have placed them properly. Let's check. I hope it had done. Yeah, it's working. Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. You can see it here. It's working properly. Before it was dead, and the problem was power issue of it. No problem, it's working great. It have the password. It's the set of a customer. Yeah, it's working properly. Thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.